Well, good morning everyone and welcome to our second day in Tirana. We've come a walk down to the Opera House because we've been told there's a free walking tour that lasts about 2 hours that goes from here at 10 o'clock. So we've come down here. It's not quite the winter sunshine we were looking for because it's raining.
So not what we were promised. It's not doing what it said on the tin.
No, but hopefully it'll brighten up later. So we're just waiting around to see if we can join up with this tour and we'll show you a bit of Tirana on the way. If he doesn't turn up, then we'll do our own, eh?
Yeah, we'll do
Shall we?
Good news, the tour guide's turned up.
Here he is.
Here we go.
Where is he? There he is, down there. Excellent.
Past of culture, past of sports, other stuff. This one is one of the few survivors. It's considered unique and special because it's decorated. Allowed in here. Green areas, not now, but in summer this is like a Let me present to you the castle of TIRANA. Ta 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 ta. Just the wall that is in here. So times everything got destroyed, so this is one of the first ones to be rebuilt. When it comes on geography, the St. Paul is like you see, I don't know why, but it looks a lot like this thing in the south. I say the museum, not the mausoleum. Often if you go online you read the wrong information. Pictures out loud, trust me, it's a really beautiful one. They don't have the Christ and the cross in the middle, they have a white thing that they call it the icon holder, and a big difference between all
Ooh, Lindsay, look. That's going with the main, with my main.
So that's
not
your
yours.
main
That's mine,
side.
by the way.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
You can have a bit. You can have a piece.
Thank you.
One piece.
Very much.
Any good?
Me eating again. It's lovely.
Right, Lindsay. The mains are in. What you had?
I've had lamb trio, which looks absolutely fantastic.
Looks good. What do you mean, lamb trio?
Chops, steak, and I don't know. It's
looks
3
nice.
bits of lamb.
That
Sorry.
looks good. And I've had chicken risotto with parmesan cheese and vegetables. Very nice. Let's give it a try. Nice bit of lamb.
Beautiful.
So what have you had with it?
Trio of lamb, but there's 4 pieces, and potato puree and asparagus, tomatoes.
Everything okay?
It's lovely.
Nice. Uh-oh. Lindsay's got the dessert menu in her hand and a smile on her face. Okay, Lindsay, what we're going for? What's the verdict?
We're in an Italian restaurant. I am going to go for an Italian dessert of tiramisu.
Tiramisu, lovely.
Let's see what we get.
Looks very fancy.
It's lovely.
Yeah. Creme brulee. Here we go.
Well, it looks posh enough.
Crispy top. Crispy top. I know it
We're
don't suit me at all, does it? Right, here we
So we
go.
go.
Good.
Alan, can you please accept that it's all gone? There you go. 4,350.
4,360 Albanian lek, which equates to what?
Oh, about £40.
Don't know, we'll have to work it out.
Hang on a minute. It's £34
£34 for
for a
two pints of Stella, a trio of lamb, a chicken risotto, garlic bread, tiramisu, creme brulee, and that's it. All served by Hannah. Very nicely, thank you.
Thank you and good night.